Good morning. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Bullish Network. Analyst predicts massive parabolic breakout bull run for XRP, calls $9 by August. Now, this is actually a very good article, guys. You're going to want to see this one. And also, I found some huge hidden gem news on one of our top picks, ALGO, which we stake on Binance US, a regulated US exchange. And you guys are going to want to see this information that I found. Also, Link receives huge endorsement. So you guys are going to want to see this article also. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my journey on the internet of value. Please smash some thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you will be notified daily when we release a video on the Bullish Network. So ALGO hidden gem. We're going to start with that one first. I ran across this right here. Bullish Network, ALGO, Mr. Staking and Baking on Binance US. Now, what's exciting to this is Binance US is a regulated US exchange. Very good fees, and we have our staking of ALGO on Binance US. Now, YouNow's crypto project props will migrate to Algorand blockchain, which is ALGO. But this is a really good article here. Once you click on this one right here, is YouNow's regulated crypto project, YouNow's regulated crypto project props will migrate to Algorand blockchain. So this is a regulated crypto project that will migrate to Algorand blockchain. The cryptocurrency project launched by video live streaming platform YouNow is ditching its sidechain and migrating onto a public blockchain, Algorand, ALGO. Now, guys, we're staking and baking ALGO, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the staking in a few moments. The move comes as Props projects seek higher throughput, its continued expansion, according to an announcement on Thursday. Props said it has now raised $2 million in funding round led by Union Square Ventures, Borderless Capital, and Coin Fund, and the Dating.com group also invested. So that's kind of interesting investors right there. Props, which has now been spun out of YouNow, hopes the shift to Algorand will allow it to better scale. So unveiled in 2017 for a way to users to support content creators and some independent projects, have moved onto the Props chain, citing its functionality and large network for users. Now, really interesting right here, Props hit the headlines after the Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, granted a Project A Regulation A+ sales qualification. So that's really interesting right there. It seems like this regulated entity is launching on ALGO, Algorand blockchain. Props hit the headlines after the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, granted the project a Reg A+ sales qualification last July, giving it the regulatory green light to raise a maximum of $50 million from retail investors. So pretty much Props is launching on Algorand and has already received SEC approval. Very interesting scenario there. The news is the latest of series of positive developments for Algorand, which has been attracting notable crypto and blockchain projects interested in leveraging the chain's high throughput potential. Really interesting there. Now, as far as the hidden gem news I found, once I found that right there, the YouNow connection, the regulated entity Props. So I said, let me look back at Algorand one more time. But one thing I did not notice, and maybe I forgot or maybe we talked about it, but anyway, for some reason I thought Algorand had a supply of 20 billion tokens for total supply. On the total supply of ALGO, there's only 3 billion tokens. That's actually a very low supply compared to some other digital currencies. You know, some are in the millions, some are in the billions. Some tokens projects have 100 billion. Algorand has 3 billion total supply. Very interesting scenario there. So, and of course, the all-time high on ALGO was 50 cents right here, 48 cents in February 2020. It was at 50 cents. So to be 24 cents right now, that's pretty much, it's going to definitely hit its all-time high with no problem. I'm not a financial advisor, but that would be double right there just from its all-time high. Now, also, It's on Binance US, which is a regulated US exchange. Now, Binance US, the simplest way to stake, start earning rewards for holding coins and tokens. Now, this is really interesting right here. I did not know this. This is the first time I've seen this page. Also, Algorand, ALGO staking estimated annual reward is 8 to 10%. Wow. 8 to 10%. And Autumn Cosmos, which we also stake on Binance US, is 6 to 9%. And I did not know Tezos, XTZ, estimated annual reward is 6 to 7%. Now, this is really good because at first, Coinbase started out around 6%. Then they went to 5%. Now I think they're 4.8%. But clearly, Binance USA is the percentages of staking rewards are way higher. 8 to 10% on ALGO. And I'm here to tell you guys, the way the program works is every 30 days you get your payout. Pretty much I was getting 15, 15, 15 ALGO, and my last payout was 18 ALGO. So pretty much the longer you stake, the higher your staking rewards become, because they're pretty much screenshotting, you know, a larger supply of ALGO every 3 days, which in turn to your monthly payout. So like I said, I was 15, 15, 15. Now my last one was 18. I hope my next one's 18. I'll let you guys know. So that's pretty huge right there. ALGO, this is definitely one of Bullzilla's top hidden gems. Pretty much all of these right here, ALGO and Cosmos and XTZ. I highly recommend all of these right here. Huge shout out to my brother. Let me know if you guys are throwing any staking. Do you guys stake ALGO, Cosmos, or Tezos? Let me know in the comments. Huge shout out to my brother XRP Viking, back with an amazing video. The insurance company says crypto going to zero. And I highly recommend this video from my brother XRP Viking. Show some love, hit link, subscribe to XRP Viking's YouTube channel. And once you get to that channel, you watch this video, I highly recommend you guys watching his previous video. It's about the Ocean EX VeChain ecosystem, SHA and PLA. He does an amazing video on that also. So I highly recommend checking out the last 2 videos Viking has dropped. I want to give a huge shout out to my brother Ant1. Ripple partner TransferGo gets extra 10 million investment, expands to 11 new countries. Very interesting scenario there. Ripple partner TransferGo gets 10 million investment, expands into 11 new countries. TransferGo, a London-based RippleNet member, has received an additional investment totaling 10 million and has launched in 11 new countries, including Japan. Wow. TechCrunch has written that Ripple's UK-based partner TransferGo has raised 10 million in extra funding from its investors. It also announced a rollout to 11 new markets, including Japan, where other Ripple-related platforms, payment platforms, are already operating. Wow. 10 million extra funding for TransferGo. In a recent article, TechCrunch reported that another RippleNet member, the TransferGo remittance firm, has received 10 million from an investment round in which the companies such as Seven Venture and Vostok Emerging Finance and others have participated. So really interesting scenario there. Ripple partner TransferGo gets extra 10 million. I truly believe that they're excited about the secret sauce, ODL, on-demand liquidity, XRP. That's for sure. I'd like to give a huge shout out to my brother GMAN Dallas. Huge shout out to GMAN, and huge shout out to the Link fans. Link has been on fire. Chainlink awarded as technology pioneer by World Economic Forum. Now that's a pretty big endorsement right there. Chainlink awarded as technology pioneer by World Economic Forum. The World Economic Forum announced its selection of 100 of the most promising blockchain technology pioneers of 2020 who are shaping the industries from agriculture to healthcare, while also working on sustainability issues and much more. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that enables smart contracts to securely access off-chain data feeds. So I'm not going to go into the article too much because we see the endorsement from the World Economic Forum. Technology pioneers are early to growth stage companies from around the world that involve in design, development, and development of new technologies and innovation. So we already know that Chainlink has been making the headlines nonstop. Chainlink is partnered up with Google. So I pulled up Chainlink here on CoinMarketCap, and I noticed that the total supply of Chainlink is only 1 billion tokens. 1 billion. So that's pretty impressive right there. Now the all-time high on Chainlink, I think, it peaked around $5 right here. As of right now, Chainlink is 401. But I do believe there's massive potential here. There's no telling how high Chainlink is going to go with the connections they have and being endorsed with World Economic Forum. Huge shout out to my brother GMAN Dallas. Does anybody out there hold Link? And I want to give a shout out to my brother XRPHreeMe. If you guys aren't familiar with Coinbase Earn does where you can do learn and earn XLM. So Coinbase does these Coinbase Earn videos. What is stellar? You watch this video, you answer a multiple choice question, you'll earn $2 in XLM. What are stellar lumens? You'll watch this video, you'll earn $2. You watch this video, $2. You can earn up to $50 in XLM. And just for watching the videos on Coinbase, a regulated U.S. exchange. Now also, after you watch the videos and you get the XLM, or they also have the Coinbase Earn EOS videos, and you can convert that crypto into XRP, XLM, Tezos, or whatever you prefer. So huge shout out to XRPHreeMe, and I will link all this in the description so you guys can check out his Coinbase Earn link. Thank you big time, XRPHreeMe. Now here's the moment you guys all been waiting for. Crypto Trader thinks XRP will hit $9 in August if history repeats itself. Now this is a very good read right here, and I wouldn't normally bring an article up like this unless it's very detailed and bullish, and basically they explain the method to their madness around the relentless effort displayed by Bitcoin against the forces of the bear. Ripple XRP is also maintaining strong support above the 18 cents against the USD, with signs for a strong increase from this level. At press time, XRP was around 19 cents, more than 4% added in value in the last 24 hours. A farther increase would put the cryptocurrency straight above 20% resistance level. In this wise crypto chartist on TradingView suggested that XRP could soon witness a trend that will make the price surge significantly beyond expectation. I like that word, significantly beyond expectations. And I truly believe that XRP is truly undervalued for the value that it's bringing to the internet of value, the utility that it's bringing. Crypto trader named TD made the illustration and trading chart. The crypto trader captioned that XRP trend since the beginning of 2018 till date is almost completely identical with what is displayed from December 2014 to April 2017. The period that spanned 2.5 years. So they're saying from 2014 to 2018, the charts are identical from the last bull run till this moment today, 2.5 year span. After peaking at 0.29 in late 2014, XRP plunged for more than 2 years, reaching a low price of 0.003. Wow. So we went from 30 cents to 0.003 in February 2017. Now, this happened after a 5-month downslope in the XRP price, and then revealed a green circle on the chart below. A 70-day 10-bar rise followed, and XRP price skyrocketed. And you guys you're familiar with that. Well, after reaching around 38 cents in March 2017, pretty much by December, it was almost $3.80, I believe. So parabolic bull run there. After reaching in March 2017, the pennant triangle followed, depicting a bearish formation, but the triangle ended with a reversal pattern that pushed XRP above $3. So that was like massive gains right there. Now crypto trader TD claimed over 2 years the pattern formed. The same 5-month downslope in the price of XRP green circle has also been printed. According to his forecast, we would soon witness the 70 days 10 bars rise that will push the XRP price above $9 in August. So now the crypto trader farthered that the pennant triangle formed once again after the 70-day 10-bar rise, and XRP will go high to areas above $100. Now I truly believe, guys, that we have to think outside the box, and we got to think of this behemoth with the partnerships that it has and the utility that it's bringing to the table. I actually took a small note. I'm just going to read that real quick. Is You know, you guys know Ripple Labs was 2 people at one time. Now it has 450 employees, 9 offices across the globe, 350 customers using its product across 45 countries globally. So to say that XRP can't hit $9, I believe the world will be surprised. I believe we're going to be, XRP is going to go beyond expectations. I truly believe that. That's for sure. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to my brother Micaiah for the support. Open mic Micaiah Jones right here. Bullish Family mugs now available on the baddest merch store on the planet. So pretty much, guys, we just uploaded some new Bullish Family mugs. But I want to give a shout out to Micaiah for getting that mug right here. Bullish merch store, new mugs are on there, and new Bullish shirts. You guys got to check them out. And we added some other crypto shirts. But I want to give a shout out to Rockin' Robin right here. She says, I got mine shipped. So thank you, big time, Rockin' Robin. I appreciate that support. And link in the description for the baddest merchandise store on the planet. Also, the Bullish Bull will come down right now. Smash that bull to subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And you will be notified when we release a video. Much love. Mahalo. Bullish time.